I tried freelancing, dropshipping, even blogging. Nothing worked. Then this hidden AI YouTube idea changed everything. First of all, watch this clip carefully. I created this glass fruit cutting video completely with AI. It took less than 10 seconds and just one single unique prompt. Anyone living in the United States can do this. No camera, no editing, just pure smart work. Sounds crazy, right? Here's the best part. Videos like this are blowing up right now, hitting millions of views and earning thousands of dollars from just one short clip. This is what I call a dollar printing niche. I personally manage 2 channels in this satisfying niche, and the results are awesome. If you're serious about making money online, trust me, this is the perfect time to start. Now think about this. Imagine creating such AI relaxing videos yourself and actually getting paid for them. These AI ASMR videos are trending hard. Millions of daily views across YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. The best part? You don't need a professional camera, expensive setup, or editing background. All you really need is the right prompt and strategy. And that's exactly what I'll show you inside my glass fruit cutting AI course. When I first began, I wasted weeks testing, struggling with lighting, texture, and realistic liquid effects. After going through endless YouTube videos, I realized no one was revealing the right process or the exact prompt that actually works. But after hundreds of tests, I finally discovered a formula that gives ultra-realistic cinematic results every single time. Now I've put everything together inside one simple, beginner-friendly course. No confusion, no wasted time. Inside, you'll get my exact tested prompt explained word by word. You'll learn how to switch fruits, fix lighting, enhance reflections, and make your videos go viral. Plus, there's a bonus section on turning your AI renders into short, viral ASMR videos. It's easy, practical, and designed for beginners. You can literally start today. If you're interested in creating AI relaxing videos and making money online, check the link in the description. I've uploaded my complete premium course with my secret prompts and tutorials. Whether you learn it from me or someone else, what matters is you take action now. I've been in this field for 2 years. I know exactly what beginners struggle with. That's why this course is paid, because it's built from real experience, real time, and real testing. When you pay for something, you actually value it, and that's how you get real results. So it's not free, because shortcuts don't bring success. Click the link in the description, join my glass fruit cutting AI course, and start building your first viral AI channel today.